Yearn Finance, symbolized as IFI, is a suite of products in decentralized finance DeFi that provides lending aggregation, yield generation, and insurance on the Ethereum blockchain. The protocol is maintained by various independent developers and is governed by IFI holders. Here's a breakdown. Relation to Ethereum. Yearn Finance is built on the Ethereum blockchain, which is the primary platform for developing decentralized applications dApps, especially in the realm of DeFi. Because it's built on Ethereum, IFI leverages Ethereum's smart contract capabilities to automate its DeFi operations, such as moving users' funds between different DeFi lending platforms to maximize yield. Stablecoins. Yearn Finance interacts heavily with stablecoins. Many of its strategies involve lending out stablecoins on various platforms or engaging in complex trading strategies to earn yield on stablecoin deposits. Stablecoins are crucial in the DeFi ecosystem as they provide a less volatile asset for earning yield compared to cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin. All-time high. The all-time high ATH of a cryptocurrency is the highest market price it has ever achieved. For IFI, like other cryptocurrencies, this value has fluctuated significantly over time, and the ATH has been reached during periods of peak interest and investment in DeFi. The specific ATH value would need to be looked up on a cryptocurrency market data platform as it can change if a new high is reached. Max supply of IFI tokens. Fixed supply. IFI's max supply is capped at 36,666 tokens. This scarcity is by design, potentially increasing each token's value as demand for Yearn Finance's services grows. Governance. Holding IFI tokens grants users the right to participate in the governance of the Yearn Finance ecosystem. This includes voting on proposals for protocol upgrades, new strategies, fee structures, and other changes that shape the direction of the platform. Incentives. AFI rewards users who actively participate in providing liquidity. By contributing to Yearn Finance's liquidity pools, users can earn IFI tokens, which in turn can be staked or used to vote in governance decisions. Examples and use cases. Vaults. Yearn Finance's vaults are one of its most innovative offerings. These are essentially pools of funds with an associated strategy for maximizing returns on the assets deposited. The strategies are designed to automatically adjust to the changing DeFi landscape, shifting assets between different protocols and strategies to chase the best yields. Strategies. Developers can create and propose new strategies for the Yearn Finance vaults. If a strategy is approved by governance, it can be implemented. This encourages constant innovation within the Yearn ecosystem. Liquidity pools. Users can provide liquidity to various pools on Yearn Finance, earning yield in return. The yield comes from trading fees, interest from lending, and other DeFi mechanisms. Insurance. Yearn Finance also offers decentralized insurance products, protecting users against smart contract risks and other DeFi-related exposures. With its all-time high reaching $82,835.78 in May 2021, IFI has demonstrated significant market enthusiasm and investor interest. The high point reflects the peak of a broader DeFi and crypto bull run. While the current price is notably lower, this reflects the overall market's volatility and changing dynamics. Investors might consider IFI a strong candidate due to its robust governance model, fixed supply, and its role in the burgeoning DeFi sector. As DeFi continues to grow, and if Ethereum, the blockchain upon which IFI and Yearn Finance operate, scales effectively with upgrades like ETH2A, there could be a significant impact on the demand for IFI. This is because Yearn Finance's success is closely tied to the broader adoption of DeFi and Ethereum's performance as the foundational layer for these applications. Investment potential. IFI could be considered a good investment for several reasons. Scarcity. The limited supply can potentially drive up value if demand grows. Governance. Holders of IFI can vote on proposals that affect the Yearn Finance ecosystem, giving them a say in its development. Innovation. Yearn Finance is known for being at the forefront of DeFi innovation, which could lead to increased adoption and demand. Ecosystem. The success of Yearn Finance is tied to the DeFi ecosystem on Ethereum, which has been growing. Ethereum's impact. If Ethereum does well, platforms and tokens built on its blockchain like IFI could also see increased success for several reasons. Network effect. A thriving Ethereum attracts more developers and users, which can lead to more usage of DeFi platforms like Yearn Finance. Value transfer. As Ethereum grows in value, it may lead to more capital that can be used within the DeFi ecosystem, potentially benefiting Yearn Finance. Upgrades. Upgrades to Ethereum like Ethereum 2.0 that improve scalability and reduce gas fees could lower the operational costs of DeFi transactions, possibly increasing the profitability of Yearn Finance's strategies. However, it's essential to note that investing in cryptocurrencies and DeFi projects comes with high risk. The market is highly volatile, and while there's potential for high returns, there's also the potential for significant losses. Before making any investment, thorough research and consideration of your risk tolerance are crucial, and consulting a financial advisor is always recommended. Yearn Finance represents a complex ecosystem of DeFi services, each designed to streamline and optimize the earning potential for its users within the Ethereum blockchain. Let's delve into some detailed scenarios showcasing how each Yearn Finance feature can be utilized for profit and protection in the DeFi space. Earn feature. Scenario. Suppose you have a mix of stablecoins like DAI, USD, or UST, and you're looking to earn interest on them. Instead of manually searching for the best interest rates across various DeFi lending protocols, you deposit your funds into Yearn's Earn feature. Earn then automatically allocates your funds to the lending protocol offering the highest interest rates at the moment, whether it's OV, Compound, or DIDX. As rates change, Yearn shifts your assets to maximize your return, all without the need for your direct intervention. Profit generation. Earn serves as a dynamic interest earning tool that constantly seeks out the most favorable lending rates, compounding your crypto holdings with minimal effort on your part. Zap feature. Scenario. You want to take part in a new liquidity pool that requires a 5050 mix of ETH and DAI. Normally, you'd have to conduct two separate transactions, converting half of your ETH to DAI and then depositing both into the pool. With Yearn's Zap feature, you can do this in one go, saving on transaction fees and slippage. Profit generation. Zap not only saves money by reducing fees, but also saves time, allowing users to quickly enter and exit yield farming opportunities. It makes the process accessible even to those with less technical knowledge of the DeFi ecosystem. Cover and Yinger. Scenario. DeFi, while lucrative, carries risks, particularly in smart contract vulnerabilities. By using Yearn's cover product or Yinger, you can protect your investment against potential smart contract failures. For instance, if you've locked a significant amount of assets into a DeFi protocol, you can purchase a cover policy to ensure against the loss of your funds. Profit generation. While not a direct method of earning, Cover and Yinger provide peace of mind, ensuring that even in the face of a protocol hack or failure, your invested capital is protected. This risk mitigation tool is essential in managing and maintaining your portfolio's value. Investment considerations. Yearn Finance's innovative nature and its ability to adapt to the changing landscape of DeFi offer various avenues for users to grow their investments. Its governance model invites IFI holders to steer the protocol's future, potentially enhancing its features and increasing its value. Potential for growth with Ethereum. As Ethereum upgrades to a more scalable and efficient network, protocols like Yearn Finance are likely to benefit. Faster transactions and lower fees could lead to broader adoption of Yearn services, thus increasing the demand for IFI tokens. Yearn Finance and Ethereum's symbiotic relationship. If Ethereum's value and utility increase, so does the activity on DeFi protocols that operate on its network. This could lead to scenarios where the increased adoption of Ethereum leads to more funds flowing into Yearn Finance vaults, raises the demand for IFI tokens due to their utility and governance power, and potentially increases their market value. Improved Ethereum efficiency reduces the operational costs of protocols like Yearn Finance, making its services more competitive and profitable. The success of Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions, which aim to scale the network, could allow for even more innovative strategies within Yearn Finance, furthering its appeal to users. In conclusion, Yearn Finance's interconnected services offer multiple strategies for users to capitalize on the DeFi movement, from earning interest passively to actively participating in governance and securing investments against smart contract risks. The platform's success is closely tied to Ethereum's, suggesting that any positive developments in Ethereum's performance could have a knock-on effect on Yearn Finance's adoption and the value of IFI. However, this all comes with the high-risk nature of cryptocurrency investment, and thorough due diligence is always recommended. Yearn Finance's suite of products enables several trading strategies that cater to various investor profiles in the DeFi space. Here are some potential strategies that could be employed using Yearn Finance. 1. Yield farming strategy. Yearn's vaults automate the process of yield farming, which involves staking or lending crypto assets in exchange for fixed or variable interest rates along with additional token rewards. A common strategy could involve identifying high yield vaults. Investors can look for vaults that Yearn Finance has identified as having high yield potential. Diversification across vaults. To spread risk, investors might allocate their assets across multiple vaults, each employing different strategies and supporting different tokens. Periodic rebalancing, regularly reviewing and adjusting allocations based on performance and yield changes. 2. Liquidity providing and pool strategy. Investors can provide liquidity to Yearn's pools and earn trading fees in return. A strategic approach may include selecting pools, choosing pools with a high volume of trades, which could lead to higher fee earnings. Monitoring for impermanent loss, being vigilant about market movements that could lead to impermanent loss and managing positions accordingly. 3. Arbitrage strategy. Using Yearn's Zap feature, traders could take advantage of price discrepancies across different DeFi platforms. This could involve cross-platform price comparison, spotting differences in token prices across various exchanges and swiftly executing trades to capitalize on these gaps. Zap for efficient positioning, using Zap to quickly enter and exit positions across different tokens and pools to exploit arbitrage opportunities. 4. Insurance strategy with Yearn. This strategy revolves around hedging and risk management through decentralized insurance. Insuring deposits, purchasing coverage for funds deposited in various DeFi protocols to safeguard against smart contract failures. Insurance arbitrage, some traders might look to buy and sell coverage based on changing risk profiles and market sentiment. 5. Governance participation strategy, for those more interested in the long-term potential and decision-making. Voting for profit. Actively participating in Yearn's governance could influence decisions that may enhance the protocol's profitability and, in turn, the value of IFI tokens. Proposal creation. Proposing new strategies or improvements that, if implemented, could enhance yields or the overall value of the protocol. 6. Long-term holding strategy. Investors who believe in the long-term potential of DeFi and Yearn Finance might employ a simple buy and hold strategy, particularly due to IFI's fixed supply. Buy and hold, accumulating IFI tokens and holding them with the expectation that Yearn's continued innovation in DeFi will lead to appreciation over time. Staking, locking in IFI tokens and governance, staking to earn additional rewards while holding. Conclusion. Yearn Finance's role in the DeFi space allows for a wide range of strategies that can cater to both active traders seeking short-term profits and passive investors looking for long-term growth. However, due to the volatile and experimental nature of DeFi, these strategies should be approached with caution, and investors should always be prepared to adjust their strategies in response to new data and market shifts. Given the complexity and risks of DeFi, it's advisable for potential investors to conduct extensive research, stay informed about developments in the space, and consider consulting with financial experts before committing capital.